In primetime news this evening, lockdown. Rio Cobra irrigation system halted due to contamination threat.
Cease and desist to stop order placed on structure being built in a cemetery.
And voter apathy growing among Jamaicans. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we have a developing story. Digital creative firm iCreate, we understand, has been placed in receivership. I'll give the details a little later on.
And speaking of hot news in sports, Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Yes, Archie. Well, the JFF election is the hot topic, though it's a little less than a month away now. The Raymond Anderson team is once again crying foul over some of the processes ahead of the election. I'll tell you why in Primetime Sports Monday.
And speaking of hot, Archie, guess what?
It's not hot. But that's a great news. It's what's up with the weather?
Yes, the cold front now across the island has been lowering temperatures across the island over the past day or so. We have also been seeing some shower activity. We are expecting even cooler conditions tonight, tomorrow, and Wednesday.
Sounds good.
Yeah, great news. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, do you intend to vote in the next local government election? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can also post, and I'm sure this is going to be a really, really interesting poll, on X at TVJ News Center.
Why do I feel so short? But stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.